If we remain in the modes of passion, then within these planets we may rotate. And Jaganna guna vittista adho gachanti tamasa. Those who are tamasa, because they have got very abominable characters. The abominable character is described in the Shastra: sinful life, illicit sex, intoxication, meat eating, and gambling. These are the four pillars of abominable life. Tamasi. The Shastra says, tamasi ma jyotidgam. So if we remain in this tamasi, then jaganna guna vrittistha adho gachanti tamasa. Adho gachanti means lower planetary system or animal life, degraded life, abominable life, low grade life, we shall get. This is the samansa. But we do not know, although do not know, but the nature's law will oblige me to accept a body. Like that. Karmana daivanatrena janta deha upapatti. We get another body according to the karma we are performing now. So, Arjuna is a devotee. That has been explained in the previous. Bhaktosi. Bhaktosi me sakha cheti. Arjuna is not only a devotee, not ordinary devotee, but personal friend. Arjuna is personal friend of Krishna. Bhaktosi sakha cheti. Therefore, Krishna says, Tani bahuni me batitani janmani tavachar. You are my bhakta and personal friend. So whenever I appear, you also appear with me. Because he is bhakta. Bhakta and Bhagavan, they must be together. That is the advantage of bhakta. Although he has got the frailty, because living entity is the minute particle of God, Mamaivangsha Jiva Bhushi. Therefore, his intelligence, his power is also very minute. But God's power is unlimited. By unlimited power, Krishna knows the past, future and present, everything perfectly. But our limited knowledge, we cannot know that. Therefore, we have to receive knowledge from Krishna. This is our position. Tad vijnanartham sa gurumeva vigachet samitpani surutiram brahmanishtam. So we have to approach either Krishna or Krishna's representative. Then we can understand Krishna. Otherwise, simply by mental speculation, by so-called erudite scholarship, nobody can know. Panthastu kuti satavatsa sampragamya vayurathapi manaso munipangavana sappastija prapadasimna avichinta tatte govindamadi purisam tamangaya. Even just like you go by aeroplane, this is air speed, there is another speed. Panthastu koti satavat samprag vayurathapi manaso munipanga. There is another speed, mind speed. We have experience of the light speed, of the air speed, but we do not know what is the mind speed. Mind speed is so strong that within a second you can go many millions of miles, within a second. And you can understand, if the mind speed is so strong, how much the speed of spirit is so strong. Krishna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Takta deham punarjanma naiti mameti kauntiya. If you become fully conversant with Krishna consciousness, the result will be Takta deham, just giving up this body. Just immediately after this. Takta deham punarjanma naiti mameti. Others, those who are not Krishna conscious, they will accept another material body. Immediately they will have to enter into the womb of a mother, particular mother, Daivanetrena. As soon as decision is made by superior power, that living entity has done such and such things, he should be promoted or degraded, he should enter into such mother's body through the seminar of the father. So immediately he is given place in the material body of a mother. But those who are Krishna conscious, immediately they are transferred where Krishna is there. This is the process. Immediately, by spiritual force, tatta dehang punarjanma naiti mameti. Kaunteya. Mameti. Immediately comes to me. Krishna is there. Within this material world, he is also there. In some of the universes, there are innumerable universes I have already explained. Somewhere he is there. So, a devotee, just after giving this body, giving up this body, immediately is transferred to that universe where Krishna is there. And when he is trained up, then he again is transferred to the Goloka Vrindavan in the spiritual sky. These are the description of Sanatana Goswami in Bhagavatamrita. How a living it is. So, in this way, we are changing our body. But because we are minute particle of Krishna, we have got qualities of Krishna, not 10%, 78%. When they are perfect, so minute quantity, then we can also become a little more advanced than at the present moment. But not like Krishna. Krishna is 10% perfect. We can become minutely perfect, 78%. These are all analyzed by the Goswami. So, in the present stage, our conditioned state, there is no comparison with Krishna. What to speak of becoming Krishna? The rascal, foolish persons, they claim that they have become Krishna. It is not possible. This is the defect, that we forget. They ask so many incarnations of God about his past life. They cannot speak. So this is the qualification of God. He knows past, present and future. And those are false gods. They cannot say. That is not possible. This is the test. They are claiming, falsely claiming. But God means He knows. His body does not change. He knows past, present, future means His body does not change. Why it does not change? That is described in this hadith. Ishara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha. Vigraha means body. Form. This transcendental form is made of Satchit Ananda. Satchidananda. Sat means eternal, eternity. Om Tat Sat. So, Sat Chit. Chit means full of knowledge. Full of knowledge, yes. Tani ahang Veda, Sarvani. This is called Chit. He knows everything. Past, present and future. Sat Chit and Ananda. You see Krishna's form here. Ananda, he is enjoying. This is real Krishna's form. He is always enjoying. Anandamaya Bhyasat. In the Vedanta Sutra it is said. It is Anandamaya. Krishna's real form, the Krishna's form in the battlefield of Kurukshetra, that is not Krishna's real form. That is Krishna's Vasudev form. Krishna expands Vasudev, Sankarshan, Anuruddha in that way. So, this is a great science, Krishna science. If you are interested, there are books you can study and you can understand what is Krishna. Thank you very much.